The genesis of a legend begins. From concept to creation, the journey begins.
This assembly line represents the pinnacle of engineering, a symphony of steel and light working in perfect harmony.
Steel, the fundamental strength of the Honda CR-V 2026, begins its transformation. Automated precision molds the raw material into the intricate components of the Honda CR-V 2026.
The skeletal structure of the Honda CR-V 2026 takes shape, bonded by advanced laser technology.
The Honda CR-V 2026 chassis, now a robust framework, progresses to the next stage.
Every weld contributes to the structural integrity of the Honda CR-V 2026, a testament to modern engineering.
Precision is paramount, ensuring every curve and line of the Honda CR-V 2026 is flawlessly integrated.
The body shell, a canvas of precision, is prepared for its union with the chassis of the Honda CR-V 2026. The unified structure of the Honda CR-V 2026, a testament to engineering harmony, progresses onward. Each reinforcement enhances the safety and durability, solidifying the core of the Honda CR-V 2026.
The basic shell of the Honda CR-V 2026 stands ready, a masterpiece of structural integrity, awaiting its color. The Honda CR-V 2026 enters the paint facility, a controlled environment where its aesthetic journey truly begins. First, a protective primer meticulously applied, creating the perfect foundation for the Honda CR-V 2026's vibrant finish. Under controlled heat, the primer cures, preparing the Honda CR-V 2026 for its definitive color. The moment of transformation arrives. The Honda CR-V 2026 is about to receive its signature hue. The true essence of the Honda CR-V 2026 is revealed as its vibrant color coat is expertly applied. A protective clear coat is then sealed onto the Honda CR-V 2026, ensuring lasting brilliance and durability. The Honda CR-V 2026, a vision of modern automotive artistry, now shines in its perfected finish. Every millimeter of the Honda CR-V 2026's surface undergoes rigorous automated inspection, ensuring absolute perfection. Human touch and expert eyes provide the ultimate seal of approval, guaranteeing the pristine finish of the Honda CR-V 2026. Off the main line, the beating heart of the Honda CR-V 2026, its advanced engine, is meticulously constructed. The powerhouse of the Honda CR-V 2026 is carefully integrated into its waiting frame. The intricate nervous system of the Honda CR-V 2026 comes alive,
connecting every electronic function.
Every electrical connection is critical, transmitting vital data throughout the Honda CR-V 2026. The heart of the Honda CR-V 2026's motion, its sophisticated transmission, is prepared for installation.
The power source of the Honda CR-V 2026 is meticulously installed, ready to energize every system.
Essential fluids are meticulously checked and topped off, preparing the Honda CR-V 2026 for its first ignition.
The Honda CR-V 2026's thermal systems are finalized, critical for optimal performance and longevity. The Honda CR-V 2026's powertrain and essential electrical systems are interconnected, forming its complex operational core.
Each connection is vital, forming the digital consciousness of the Honda CR-V 2026.
The exhaust system is fitted, managing performance and environmental impact for the Honda CR-V 2026. Fuel delivery systems are secured, vital for the Honda CR-V 2026's power and responsiveness.
With the core systems in place, the Honda CR-V 2026's powerful heart is poised for its first true test.
The core systems of the Honda CR-V 2026 are now fully integrated, forming its powerful and intelligent heart.
Với trái tim đã định hình, chiếc Honda CR-V 2026 giờ đây đón nhận linh hồn của mình. Phần nội thất được chế tác tỉ mỉ.
The dashboard, the command center of the Honda CR-V 2026, is installed with millimeter precision.
The digital interface of the Honda CR-V 2026, a window to its advanced technology, is seamlessly integrated.
Human expertise ensures the tactile elements of the Honda CR-V 2026 meet the highest standards of quality and fit. Every stitch is a mark of quality, defining the comfort and luxury of the Honda CR-V 2026.
The cabin of the Honda CR-V 2026 is enclosed, creating an environment of comfort and acoustic refinement.
Automation ensures a flawless seal, integrating the Honda CR-V 2026's expansive glass for visibility and structural integrity.
Exterior touchpoints are added, blending seamless design with everyday functionality for the Honda CR-V 2026.
The distinctive face of the Honda CR-V 2026 is attached, defining its bold presence.
The Honda CR-V 2026 now stands ready to meet the road, its foundation complete.
The advanced lighting systems of the Honda CR-V 2026 are installed, providing its unmistakable vision.
Final trim pieces are meticulously applied, completing the exterior of the Honda CR-V 2026.
Before a single mile is driven, the completed Honda CR-V 2026 faces its most demanding trial.
An automated diagnostic system interrogates every electronic module, ensuring a flawless symphony of technology within the Honda CR-V.
Emissions are meticulously analyzed, a commitment to performance that respects the environment, a core principle of the Honda CR-V 2026. The braking system of the Honda CR-V 2026 is tested under extreme conditions, guaranteeing responsive and reliable stopping power.
Every component of the suspension is tested for durability and comfort, ensuring the signature smooth ride of the Honda CR-V 2026.
To ensure a perfect seal against the elements, the Honda CR-V 2026 endures a simulated monsoon.
Every switch, sensor, and screen in the Honda CR-V 2026 is activated and verified. The final inspection, a combination of human expertise and uncompromising standards, confirms the flawless execution.
Having passed every test, the Honda CR-V 2026 is now certified, ready to leave the factory and begin its journey.
From a digital blueprint to a masterpiece of engineering and design, the journey is complete.
This is the Honda CR-V 2026, a harmonious blend of form and function, designed for the modern world.
An interior crafted for comfort, connectivity, and command. The sanctuary of the Honda CR-V 2026 awaits.
The culmination of innovation, the mark of reliability, the 2026 Honda CR-V.